Hey, what's up, everybody? Uh, Mr. Meadows here. Just gonna give you guys a quick little rundown of what we got going on once we get started tomorrow with the virtual learning. Um, First off, I will be next to my computer, phone, whatever, for my office hours, which will start at 10 o'clock on April 6th. I'll go from 10 to 1 every weekday. Okay, so 3 hours where you can email me, call or text me with the Google Voice. And then from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock is when I will be in the virtual meeting, the Google Meet. There's a link posted on Google Classroom. You will find that, how to get into that, and you just click the link. It'll take you right to it. I'll be in there waiting. And if you don't see me, just holler. Um, I'll be around the computer at that time. Uh, as far as work goes for these next 6 weeks, we'll have two assignments a week. Uh, I'll post one on Monday, one on two, sorry, one on Monday, one on Wednesday, and then they are both due by Saturday night at midnight. Okay, so you'll have all week to do them. If you want to wait, start both of them on Wednesday. That's fine. Whatever you want to do, as long as you get them both done by Saturday. Okay, and then they will go into the grade book from there. Um, if you have any questions, that's what the office hours are for. Hop on the Google Meet, hop on the Google uh, Voice phone number. With the Google Voice, I don't have one set up yet. They have not sent me the email to where I can set one up. We're working on that. As soon as I get one, I will have it posted for you guys. Okay, it'll be in Google Classroom just like everything else. That should be in the next day or two. Should not be much longer. Why they just skipped me. They didn't give me one yet. So once we get that, I will have that out for you guys, and you'll be able to call or text me straight from your cell phone, and it'll come to my cell phone. Okay. Again, any questions? Uh, Google Meet from 12 to 1 every day. Office hours are from 10 to 1. Okay. Uh, but assignments are going to be pretty straightforward to the point. So if you have any questions, uh, don't worry about it. Get on there, ask me about them, even if it's the next day. Just hit me with your questions and I'll help you out. Okay. Let's finish this 6 weeks out strong. Then you guys will move on to be freshmen. So I will see you guys on Google Meet.